So, okay, after 2 long weeks of waiting for these bad boys to come, I finally have my package from Geckoboa, the wholesale lot of 10 $15 pet qualities, and then 2 other pet qualities from his website. So let me unbox them. I know I need to have it, but I don't have a tripod for my phone. So, again, this is one of the biggest lots of wholesale. I have anything, any animal I've gotten before. So, my biggest one before was 3. So, finally, my collection is growing. Now, here is his business card, Geckoboa Reptiles. I've ordered from him 2 times before. That's where I got the Mentor, Vision, and Cronus at. And with every order, he gives you a care sheet, what to do when you receive your gecko. Then this is something new. I didn't see this before. Ovulating females. This is good for some beginners when your female is ovulating. Now, what kind of got me mad today is, ooh, the package is opening. The package is opening. Wow, I'm so dumb. What kind of got me mad is the FedEx delivery people. I want to get a gecko like this one day. The FedEx delivery people just threw it on the porch on its side. So yeah, I was, oh my god. All these geckos. Ah. And John packages them so well. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, but it even labels on there. I've gotten some pet qualities before that doesn't even give me their birth date. And I see a beautiful male here. Oh my god, looks like he's about to go through a shed, but he's beautiful. October 29th. Now, both of my males that I've gotten from Geckoboa, Vision and Cronus, they're born in October. Vision is born October 6th. And Cronus, I think, is October 18th. This is a beautiful male. Oh. Wow. So, this year he'll be a year. That's amazing. A lot of males. Oh my god, is this male beautiful. Again, another October baby. Oh my god, I love these October babies. October 1st. So, day before my birthday. This is a gorgeous male. I love that orange in his tail and that orange on him. He is just full of color. Oops. I almost dropped him. Here we have another male. Oh my god, October 4th. This is a gorgeous male. I know I'm going to say this about every gecko because John just has beautiful geckos. Wow. I love the coloration on this male. He's so bright. Here we have another male. Okay, that is, he looks exactly like my albino male Dracaris. October 6th. Oh, him and Vision are birthday buddies. The other male was born October 4th, and the one before that, oh yeah, I told you before. But this one looks exactly like Dracaris. Dracaris is actually turning a year this year too. So that, he looks a little mean. Yeah, he looks a little mean. But oh my god, he's beautiful. Gosh, I didn't expect John to give me, like, I know his geckos are beautiful, but since he handpicks the ones, I was looking for some normal. Right here, this is the one that I ordered off the website that he did say was a hard male to handle. Oh, he turns a year this month. He is a hard male to handle, but he is beautiful. When I say beautiful, he is beautiful. He is a hard male to handle. He was saying that he is a bit of a biter. So, yeah. That's a beautiful male. I love that coloration. just killers. Here we have a female. Oh my god, that's a gorgeous albino female. Look at the albino on her. She'd be beautiful. Oh, I swear, you gotta love John's geckos. You have to. You just gotta. Let's go with you. Here's another female. Wow, she looks like that. Was it second or third male I showed you? She's beautiful. Now, this was a lot of 12, I think I ordered. She's gorgeous. She really is. So again, all these geckos are going to turn a year. Oops, a year. This here. Oh my god. This is another beautiful female. His pet qualities are beautiful. I swear. That's gorgeous. Love her coloring. I was looking for geckos that had that coloring. Ow, my leg is itchy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say this about every gecko. Look at that coloration. Oh my god. I love that. She's a big female too. Pretty. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Beautiful female. Albino color on her is working. It is working. Oh, here's another male. I love that color again. The colors on these geckos are beautiful. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just like I'm awed by the geckos. And then here is the last gecko, a female. Oh my god. That's a beautiful albino. Wow, she's beautiful. Now, that is how many geckos? That's, here we got 5, 6. Oh wait, I'm missing one. I have to tell John about that. I'm missing one. Yeah, I'm missing a gecko, but here are all the geckos. Wow. Just look at those colors. Yes. But yeah. I have to say the one that's my probably most favorite out of this lot would have to be this female from the females. This female. We see the male. And I'm probably gonna have to go with. It's between this male and this male. Yeah. But the one gecko I was supposed to receive was a free gecko just because she had a lot of loose skin around her neck, but all these geckos are going to be my collection, so none of them are going for sale. So let's count how many females and how many males we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 females, 1 and 6 males. So here is one female. She's born September 28th. Here's the other female, born September 22nd. Here's the other female, born October 24th, which is a nice, gorgeous albino female. Then we also have another female, born October 17th. I'm sorry, my love. Oh, this is probably one of my other favorite females. Born October 24th. Now, again, this was the rude male gecko. I keep calling him Geckoboa. John was telling me about. This is the one that was $40 because he has an anger issue. Then, but Yeah, from my pickings, it's hard between the males. It really is. Because I'm in between these two right here. This male born October 4th and this male born October 1st. Let me just... Which one was the mean one? I think it was this male that was mean. That he looked mean. Let me open one of the containers up for the October 1st male. Whew. That coloration. That was October 1st male. Let me open up. Ah, these containers are beautiful. The way they close. Here's the October 4th male, which is a bright yellow. He is beautiful. Yes. Let me get that one female that's... Oh my god. Oh, okay, okay. We don't have to get feisty here. No sir. No sir. No feisties, no. No, not your tail. There we go. Thank you. Okay, right here. This is one of my favorite females. I'm telling you guys, this camera's not doing justice. She's like... She is a probably brighter banana yellow. She's like that. This is dull. Okay. Yeah. She is probably... Yeah, he's a little feisty. I didn't even touch him. But she is like a bright banana yellow or brighter. She is beautiful. That is the October 24th female. Wow, just look at the... She's sensitive to light, so that's why you'll see her. Now, that's how you can actually tell if your gecko's albino or not. That tail is beautiful. Is when they, like, when they close their eyes, as soon as you bring them into the light, you can tell if they're albino or not. So, there's, again, different albino strands. You have... The main ones I think of are Bell, Rainwater, and Tremper. I know there's other strands, but... Wait, is there other strands? I'm not that good with genetics, but I know, like, some of the basics. You know, Max Nose, Super Max Nose, you know, your Bell, Rainwater, Tremper albinos. Because I know, too, if you breed... two strands of albino, you get a pet quality gecko, because I forgot what was the reason. I was reading up on that. Again, before, these are pet quality, so they're never breeding, but before I get any breeder lots, I definitely will be searching up breeding, but yeah. But these are some beautiful geckos. But yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked my first video from Geckoboa. From Geckoboa. This beautiful lot of geckos from Geckoboa. Beautiful geckos. All turning a year in the next month or next 2 months. But again, my favorite female has to be this October 24th female. She's a banana yellow. Now, he reminds me, this female reminds me of Cronus, but just brighter. I've been looking for a female, well, not female, but a gecko with this coloration. And this male here, this is September 23rd males. Nice male. He's almost like her in the yellow, but just a little darker. But yeah, I have to look out for this albino male. He seems a little mean. And I have to look out for this male right here. So I have to look out for the August 31st male and the October 6th male. Because those two look a little angry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my first video of unboxing these gorgeous, gorgeous beauties. But yeah, I have a name for a couple of these guys. Not all of them, but a couple of them. And they are going to love their new enclosures. I'll do a video probably later on, update on them and handling them. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video today, guys, and thank you for watching.